Siberian iris foliage holds well through the winter, but it's too tough to simply pull away in spring. Clean up early so you don't risk cutting off new growth. You'll want to use head shears to trim back the dead foliage within a few inches of the ground. This battery-powered one makes quick work of the job. Next, rake out any other leaves and debris that have collected in the crown and tidy up stray foliage that might detract from the fresh green growth later. Once you've cleaned it up, you may notice an open area in the center of the clump, like this one. That means it's probably time to divide. See our companion article to learn how to divide.
Hi, I'm Kristen with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to subscribe to Garden Gate Magazine's YouTube channel. There you'll find tips, design ideas, and how-to help for gardeners just like you. Click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.